Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am HD Signatures. Today's video we are going to be doing latte makeup tutorial. My last video I did latte versus espresso, but in today's video I am doing latte makeup tutorial. So keep on watching guys. Mwah. Bye. But I don't wanna play your fair, yeah, So guys, welcome back. I have done my base already, so we're just going to concentrate on the eye. I am going to start with a concealer. This powder is like 2-3 shades darker than my skin color, but I love it because it has a warm undertone and it's from Foera, and this is in shade 208. So I'm going to use that. Then after that I'll be taking a blush, that blush palette. I'm picking a brown with like orangey undertone in it. I'm using that to blend at the edges of the first product I placed down. That is just, I'm just basically blending it out, to make it blend well into my skin. And guys, take note of the way I am holding my brushes. If I want a soft blend, I hold my brush far away from the ferrule, but if I want the color to be a lot concentrated, I'll hold it closer to the ferrule. So guys, I am going ahead to use a powder from La Vida. This is the Amanda edition, and I'm picking the lightest shade close to white on my lid. That is going to serve as a nude eyeshadow. Then I'm patting it on my lid. I'm going to pat and blend. I'll pat and blend. While I'm patting and blending, that's why the brush I'm using here is a flat, fluffy blending brush. So it's not a stiff brush, it's a flat, fluffy blending brush. Using that will help pack on so much color and also will blend at the same time. Then on this part here, for the outer part of my eyes, I'm going back into that first powder part, and I'm going to apply that at the outer part of my eyes, and I also extend it towards the upper side of my tail to give my eye that wing look. So guys, for this part, I am spraying my bronzer with a setting spray to get more of that color. If you want to apply a shimmery eyeshadow and you want the color, you want a good color payoff, spray your setting spray on it, or basically just run your brush through water or damp your brush. It's going to pack a lot of that shimmer product on your lid. So guys, I'm going to apply a concealer in my waterline. The excess of this is to open up my eyes, and I like that. I like the fact that this concealer is not so light and it's not so, the undertone blends well with this makeup look. This is the same concealer I use in concealing my under eyes and highlighting my under eyes. And after that, I'm going to be using that same powder, that one I use, that same deep powder. I'm going to be placing that on my lower lash line. This is just to marry the whole look together. This is just to tidy the whole look together and give it that soft, sultry, smoky look. Then after this, I'll be blending it out. I'll blend it lightly and extend it towards the outer part of my eyes to connect everything all together. So this mascara is from Debbie Luster. I'm going to use that to tidy up my lashes in preparation for the false eyelashes I'm going to be applying. This first eyelashes is from Beauty by Aubrey. I like the fact that it's super cute and it's so fluffy, guys. I like the wispy part of, and this, I would say this type of eyelashes are the one you call intentional eyelashes, because the way it's made, it's really so. I'm sure you guys will agree with me that these lashes suit this eye look so well. So I'm going to go ahead and use a lighter shade of powder to open up the inner part of my eyes. This is the finished look, guys. What do you guys think about this look? Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Where would you be rocking this eye look to? And the lips, do you like this lip with these eyes? Let me know in the comment section, guys. But if you don't like this lips, if you are somebody that you feel this lips is too much for this eye for you, then I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on a subtle nude glossy lip tutorial. This is a tinted glossy lip gloss from Zickel. It has a really nice warm undertone to it. Then after that, I'm going to use the Veloster lip stain. This is a matte lip stain and it's beige. I'm going to use that in the middle part of it. I'll make sure I apply that lip stain really well in the middle part. Then when I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and apply a gloss. But this gloss, it has shimmers. I DIY'd the lip gloss myself. It has some tiny glittery particles and I love it a lot. It just had that drama and that, you know, baby girl vibe to the lips. I love it so much. For me, I think it all depends on your personality and what resonates with you. If you like the first one that has that really strong fuchsia pink lip color, then by all means just do it. This look goes with any occasion. Even if you are a bride, this goes with any occasion. For that, thank you so much, guys, for always staying, always coming back to watch my video. God bless you all. Bye, guys.
Look at you two out there, baby, you can give us